Hi guys, it's me again, April of Pacifica Dive, and today I am going to discuss about compressors. So we all know, or you all know guys, that the brand we carry for compressor is Bauer. Bauer is made in Germany, and Bauer has earned its reputation as the world's foremost innovation, designer, and manufacturer of high-pressure compressors and purification systems. In fact, Bauer Kompressoren is the market leader in the development and production of systems for generating breathing air with over 75 years of experience. So you guys ready to discuss about compressor? So first of all, I don't want to bombard you with complete specification, with features of the compressors, because I know that you will get bored. And I know also that you can get all those informations in the internet. So as much as possible, I will only discuss the basic details in the simplest way I could, so everybody understands immediately. And if you think you have, you can add more information about Bauer compressors, please feel free to comment down below. Okay? And by the way guys, breathing air compressors from Bauer are commonly used in dive centers, resorts, firefighting, militaries, and other gas compression needs, like for example the paintball. These compressors will provide breathing airs for firefighting, for scuba divers, and others who need reliable high pressure air. So guys, we have different models of Bauer compressor, but first I am going to discuss about the premium line. So the premium line of Bauer compressors are the Bauer Marner 320, the Bauer Marner 200, the Marner 2 Diesel, the Capitano, the Oceanos, and the Junior. But today, I'm gonna discuss first the Marner 200, since I don't have here the Marner 320. So, the Marner, or I'm sold out of Marner 320. So, but we have extra stock, by the way, guys. I still have, if you need. I have incoming, and I have, I think, yeah, I have. If you need, just let me know. Okay, so, first I'll discuss the Marner 200. This is the frame of the compressor, this is the cover, this is the motor, and come over here, this is what we call as the compressor block. So this Bauer Marner 200 pumps 200 liters per minute, and this can be upgraded into fully automatic drain, automatic stop. You can add B control or controller to monitor the running hours of the compressor, as that will be your basis for the maintenance schedule. Take note that the maintenance schedule of the compressor is counted by hours. It's 500 running hours, 1,000 running hours, or 2,000 running hours. So 500 running hours, that can be done by the operator. It's just change oil, change O-rings. Then for 1,000 or 2,000 running hours, that should be done by the Bauer authorized technician, because that's most likely stripping down the compressor, like overhaul. So changing all the underrated parts. And then by having a control panel on the compressor, you will be able to monitor the maintenance schedule of the compressor, so you know already when to call us when you need technician. And same also with the filtration, because the Marner 200 comes with the P21 filter housing, but then can be upgraded into bigger filtration, like for example P41 filter, like this. So this P41 filter can be attached to the wall or can be attached direct to the compressor here. So here it's attached direct to the compressor. So here is the P41 filter, and this is the Securus. So the Securus box, this will tell you about the saturation period of the filter cartridge. So it has orange light, red lights, and green lights. So when it's green light, the filter cartridge is still okay. If it's orange, you'll have to prepare. It's about to be saturated. And when it's red, it means the filter cartridge is saturated. You need to replace them. So it's nice when you have a Securus box because you knew already if the filter cartridge is saturated. So it's guaranteed that you are breathing clean air. Then about the filling device, it comes with 2 filling devices, but you can upgrade the filling system up to 4. So you can either attach it to the wall, so the compressor here, and then filling here on the side. So guys, it is important that you have a working space while you fill your tanks in the compressor room. And then another thing is, please change the oil as recommended, because this is based on my experience, and there are compressors that are having problem with their piston and sleeve. It's because they don't change the oil regularly, or they run the compressor with below minimum level of oil, or they run the compressor with no pressure at all, with no oil pressure at all. That is why all our compressors has the oil pressure gauge to make sure that there's oil pressure before you run the compressor. Okay, so it should be 5 bar. So again guys, let's summarize everything. This is a Bauer Marner 200 compressor. This is 200 liters per minute. And at 50 to 200 bar, the capacity of the filling capacity per tank is 8.5 minutes. And you can use either in gasoline or electric version. Then the filtration from P21 filter, you can upgrade it into P41 filter with the Securus box, which tells you the saturation period of the filter cartridge. Then again, the filling valve, the filling whip from 2, you can make it into 4. It's either you attach it to the wall. And again, please monitor the oil level of the compressor and make sure that you change the oil as recommended. And it is also important when you have the control box or control panel that monitors the running hours of the compressor, because that will be the basis of the maintenance schedule. So we have 3 maintenance schedules. We have the 500 running hours, which can be done by the operators. That's change of oil. Then 1,000 running hours and 2,000 running hours. 2,000 running hours, 1,000 running hours. You can call any Bauer authorized technician to service the compressor. Then that's it guys. There will be part 2 of the Bauer presentation. It will be another model of the premium line, and hope to see you again next time. Bye guys.